The judge overseeing the election interference case against former President Trump and others in Georgia is set to hold a motion hearing this afternoon. He's expected to hear arguments on Trump's request for information about discovery and Rudy Giuliani's new motion seeking to compel interviews with the 4 defendants who took plea deals in the case. Investigative reporter Olivia Rubin joins me now, along with ABC News contributor and former Georgia prosecutor Chris Timmons for more. Olivia, what kind of information is Trump's team trying to get?
So a number of motions on the docket today, Diane, but as it relates to Trump, as you said, I'm going to take you back in time just for a minute, because this goes back to the January 6th committee in Washington, D.C. and their investigation into the efforts to overturn the 2020 election. And essentially what Trump's lawyers are seeking today is what information Fani Willis, the prosecutor in Georgia, received from the January 6th committee in Washington, D.C. What information sharing went on between the two. And Trump's lawyer has sort of pulled up a letter that Fani Willis sent the committee all the way back in December 2021, essentially asking for any records that the January 6th committee has that might be relevant to her investigation into Donald Trump. So what they're saying is that they have asked Fani Willis for what information she received in response to that letter from the committee, what they sent her, what evidence, if any, and they've received no response from her office. So as such, Trump's team is going to court today to essentially ask the judge to force Fani Willis's team to turn over what responses they got from the January 6th committee. So a bit back in time, a bit in the weeds, but clearly Trump's team looking for some more evidence there and what exactly they're going to get from the January 6th committee, Diane.
Chris, what do you make of this motion from Giuliani's attorneys trying to compel interviews with the defendants who took plea deals? What do they want to know?
Well, I'm sure what they want is any exculpatory evidence. I think ABC had an exclusive through Olivia on the proffers that came through with Jenna Ellis and with Miss Powell. And what Sidney Powell said was that she actually believed that there were fraudulent issues with the election here in Georgia. And so I think that they want to interview her. They want to interview Ellis. They want to interview the other 2 co-defendants who took plea deals in this case to see if they've got additional information. Now, the judge may or may not, or probably won't actually compel them to talk. They have to cooperate with the state as a result of their plea deals, but there's nothing that says that they have to cooperate with the defense. So I'd be surprised if he said that they had to talk with the defense attorneys, but certainly they can talk if they wish to.
All right, Olivia Rubin, Chris Timmons, thank you both.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.